From today onwards, those who are coming from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Delhi NCR and Goa will have to bring their COVID-19 negative report. Right now we are at Borivali railway station to see how this is implemented. Ma'am, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप?
जी हम दिल्ली से आ रहे हैं।
मैम, आप अपनी COVID-19 की नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट लेकर आए थे?
नो।
ओके। तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ पैरामीटर्स चेक हुए हैं आपके?
जी हाँ हुए।
तो मैम, आपको क्या जानकारी थी कि आज से फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स जो भी लोग आ रहे हैं दिल्ली, गुजरात, राजस्थान, गोवा से उनको अपनी COVID-19 की नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट लानी है?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई जानकारी नहीं थी।
अच्छा, ओके, thank you so much. So let me try and speak to some other passengers to understand if they were aware, did they bring their COVID-19 negative report or not. So to all the passengers to whom we spoke to since morning, only one passenger brought his COVID-19 negative report. Rest of them haven't. Let me try and speak to some more of them. Excuse me, कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
मथुरा।
Sorry?
हम लोग मथुरा से।
अच्छा, आप मथुरा से. They are from UP, so they don't have to bring their COVID-19 negative report. Let me try and speak to some other passengers to see if anyone is from Delhi, Rajasthan or Gujarat for that matter. Excuse me, कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
मैं दिल्ली से।
क्या आप अपनी COVID-19 की नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट लेकर आए थे?
नो नो,
आपको पता नहीं था कि आज से महाराष्ट्र में रिपोर्ट लानी है अपनी नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट?
जब पता था तभी हम बैठ गए थे ट्रेन में।
अच्छा, आपको लेट पता चला।
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे आपका पैरामीटर्स वगैरह चेक कर रहे हैं?
यस यस यस।
Okay, thank you so much. So, what is being done for those, as far as those people are concerned who have not brought their COVID-19 negative report? So, you can see that their parameters are being checked by the BMC staffers who are present here at the railway station. Their pulse rate is being checked, their temperatures are being checked, and those whose body parameters are not up to the mark and they do not have their COVID-19 negative report, their antigen test will be conducted here at this kiosk. You can see this desk which is here, and BMC will conduct the antigen test report of these people, and after that they will be asked to home quarantine themselves, and their RT-PCR will be done, and their RT-PCR report will be shared with them, and if they will be found positive in RT-PCR, then they will be asked to go to a quarantine center, and the expense of that has to be taken care by the passengers themselves. From today onwards, those who are coming from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Goa, Delhi NCR will have to bring their COVID-19 negative report. Same setup is there at other railway stations also in Mumbai, whether it's Mumbai Central, whether it's Andheri station, now Borivali station. Not just that, at airports also people will have to bring their COVID-19 negative report. Today is the first day of the implementation of this rule, so you can see that most of them have not brought their reports, and the authorities are expecting that once people will get more aware of the rule, they will bring their reports. What can be done is, because clearly right now, of course, the crowd has decreased to some extent, but earlier there was a long queue. And of course, the staff here is limited, so checking for the COVID-19 negative report, checking the parameters, all those things were taking time. So obviously, the crowd increased here, and there was no regard to social distancing. So that is something on which the railway authorities will have to work, because right now also you can see that there is no social distancing whatsoever. So that is something railway authorities will have to manage, that how will they ensure social distancing between the passengers while they will check for their reports and their parameters. With camera person Nitesh Surve, this is Santya reporting for Mirror Now.